Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what truly bizarre secrets lie hidden in the cosmic expanse? What if I told you that out there, beyond our wildest imagination, are phenomena and objects that defy all logic and challenge our very understanding of the universe? Space is not just vast, it's profoundly strange. Today, we're diving headfirst into the cosmic abyss to uncover some of the most bizarre, mind-bending discoveries astronomers have ever made. From planets made of precious gems to colossal empty voids and mysterious gravitational forces, prepare to have your perception of reality stretched. Get ready to explore the strangest things found in space. First up, imagine a world where diamonds are not rare, but part of the planetary crust itself. Meet 55 Cancri e, also known as the Diamond Planet. Located just 40 light-years away, this super-Earth is believed to be incredibly carbon-rich, and under its immense internal pressure and scorching temperatures, much of that carbon could be compressed into vast quantities of diamond. Orbiting its star so closely that a year lasts only 18 hours, its surface is a blistering 2,700 degrees Celsius. While we can't visit, the mere existence of a planet possibly made of precious gems reminds us of the incredible diversity and extreme conditions possible in our universe, challenging our preconceived notions of what a planet can be. Next on our list is an invisible cosmic force so powerful it's pulling our entire galaxy, along with thousands of others, across space. This is the Great Attractor. Located within the Norma supercluster, approximately 150 to 250 million light-years away, this region is a massive gravitational anomaly. We can't see the Great Attractor directly because it's obscured by the dust and gas in our own Milky Way's zone of avoidance. Scientists are still working to understand its exact nature. Is it a vast, unseen supercluster of galaxies, an immense concentration of dark matter, or something else entirely? Whatever it is, its colossal gravitational pull profoundly influences the motion of galaxies in our local universe, revealing that even the largest structures are subject to mysterious, unseen forces. Our third strange discovery takes us to a place of profound emptiness, the Boötes Void. Often dubbed the Great Nothing or the Cosmic Desert, this truly colossal, roughly spherical region of space spans an astonishing 330 million light-years in diameter. What makes it so strange is not just its size, but its perplexing lack of galaxies. While astronomers expect to find thousands of galaxies within such a vast volume, the Boötes Void contains only about 60 known galaxies. To put that into perspective, if the Milky Way were at its center, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. This immense, empty bubble challenges our cosmological models of how the universe's large-scale structure formed, leaving us to wonder how such a massive void could have possibly come to be. From diamond-rich planets and mysterious gravitational anomalies to vast, empty cosmic deserts, the universe is clearly a canvas for the truly bizarre. These incredible discoveries serve as a powerful reminder of how much we still have to learn, and how our understanding of the cosmos continues to evolve with every new observation. Which of these cosmic oddities fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the strange side of space, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending cosmic insights.